Hi guys, I hope everybody's having a great spring break. I just wanted to do a video to help y'all with this objective, interpreting linear expressions. This is one of your spring break objectives. It's due on March 15th. Your other objective is writing expressions 2, and that is also due March 15th. I'm going to make a video with the 3 main types of questions in interpreting linear expressions that I think you guys might struggle with. There's no skip requirement or lack of or whatever on this video, so if you're looking at the problem and you know that you can do that kind of problem or you've done that kind of problem, you can kind of skip to the next part of the video where I go over the next problem. So I'll go over three of the main types of problems that I think you guys would struggle with on here. First type looks like this. Some of you might have actually seen this exact problem before. Alright, Martin likes to make flower bouquets that have 3 violets. So he likes to make bouquets that have 3 violets and 4 tulips. So in each bouquet there are 3 violets and 4 tulips. Notice how I'm kind of translating this into symbols. I'm translating the problem into variables and numbers. So 3v plus 4t. The price of a violet is v and the price of a tulip is t. Okay, so this is the number of violets, this is the price, number of tulips, price. Match each expression with their meanings. So first, price of one bouquet. I'm not even going to look at this part yet. I'm just going to try to translate these. So the price of one bouquet. Well, one bouquet has 3 violets and 4 tulips. So I know that the price of one bouquet would be something like 3v plus 4t. The price of 3 violets plus the price of 4 tulips. Each bouquet has 3 violets and 4 tulips. So this would represent one bouquet. A bouquet is just like if you go to H-E-B and you see like one of those things of flowers that's like cone shaped with a bunch of flowers, that's what a bouquet is. So each bouquet has 3 violets and 4 tulips, so this is what we want to look for this. Now that I've had my prediction equation written out, I'm going to look through my choices and see if there's anything that specifically says this or is equivalent to this. Something with the equivalent of 3v and 4t's. Here we have 3v and 2t, so no. Here we have 2v plus 4t plus v. So let's see, in total we have 4t's. And 2v plus v, that would mean that we have 3 v's. So that would meet that requirement. That would be a yes. Then this one, let's see, this would actually be 9 t's plus 12 v's, so that one's a no. This one, 12 t's and 9 v's, also a no. This one, 4t, which is what we're looking for, and 3v, which is what we're looking for. So this guy's going to work for us. And this last one, this would be 12t and 9v, so that one's a no. Alright, next one. The price of 3 of Martin's bouquets. So we are looking for 3 of this. In other words, I'm looking for 3 of all of that. 3 times 3v plus 4t. Let's go ahead and look through. So I'm going to write that right here. 3. Another way that I could say that is I know that this would be 9v plus 12t. So I'm going to look through and see which of these say something like this. First one, no. Second one we've already used. Now, third one, let's see. Third one says that we have 3 of 3t plus 4v. That's the opposite of what we have here. We're looking for 3v plus 4t, not 4v and 3t. So this one's a no. That's just there to trick you. This one, we're looking for 9v. Yep. 12t. That's 3 bouquets, so that one would work. And you already used, and this one, this would be 12T plus 9V, which is exactly what we're looking for, so this one would work. All right, and then the ones that I didn't use for anything, so these two would be considered neither. And then that would be my correct answer. So that would be how you would fill in something that looked like this. We're just translating it and seeing what's equivalent. Next one. Here's one we have about tax. Now, there's percentages in this. So first I want to go over what a percentage is. So here we're given 18%. Now, the word percent breaks down to per 100. Cent means 100. So 18% is actually going to be 18 per 100, which is 0.18. 18% means 0.18 times whatever we're trying to take 18% of. So if I'm trying to take 18% of, I don't know, 200, that would mean that I would take 200 and I would multiply it by 0.18. And whatever that would be whatever that number would be 18% of 200. So this would give me 36. 36 is 18% of 200. But little example on percents. All right, let's take a look at this problem. Bo is buying a board game which costs B dollars. I'm going to just translate. So board game. The cost of the board game is B. But the game is on sale and the price has been reduced. So we need to think, is this B going to become a bigger number or a smaller number? Well, the price is being reduced, which means that we're going to subtract something from it, or we're going to add a negative of something from this B. And then it says the price has been reduced by 18%. So the price has been reduced by 18% of what the price used to be. 18% of old price. So the 18% of old price, which we said is B. 18% of B means that we need to take 0.18 and multiply it with B. And that tells us how much we need to subtract from our original price. So this part is, we can say that this is our discount. This is our original price. So we would take our original price, B, minus our discount, and we would get the amount that this guy, Bo, paid. Okay. Sorry, we have chickens at home and they're making a ton of noise and I don't know what's going on. Okay, so we would now look at this kind of stuff. We would look at what they wrote for us. We have the situation translated. We kind of broke down what everything means. So now let's look at what they're asking us to find. It says find the dollar amount of the discount. Then subtract it from the original price. All right, well, up here we said that 0.18B was the discount. And so we would take 0.18B, which is our discount, 18% of B, that's the amount that's being subtracted off of our original price. And it says to subtract it from the original price. original price is B. So we're just going to take B minus our discount. We're going to see what matches. Nope, nope, no, wait. Yeah, this one's going to be a no. It would be a yes if it had 0.18B. This right here, as it's written, says take the original price and minus 18 cents. So, no. This one is not correct. This one is correct. B minus 0.18B. That is exactly this translated into an expression. Okay, this one's a little bit trickier. It says find the percent of the original price Bo has to pay, and then convert the percent to a decimal and multiply to get the final price. Okay, a lot of stuff in here. Let's break this down. I'm gonna erase some of this so it's a little bit clearer. So it says find the percent of the original price that Bo has to pay. Now, what that means is that we're going to look at, first of all, the original price is just B. Originally, he has to pay 100% of whatever B is. And then he's subtracting 18% of whatever B is, the discount. Which means that in total, he is paying 82% of what B is. And if I were to convert that, so this is the percent of the original price. So that would be 82%. And then it says then convert this percent to a decimal. Okay, so we have to convert 82% into a decimal. And we know that to convert something to a decimal, that's a percentage. We know that percent means per 100. So 82% means 82 per 100. Or 82 over 100, or 0.82. So as a decimal, 82% becomes 0.82, and multiply times B to get the final price. This is my final price. Let's see which one is equivalent. Nay, nay, yay. This is exactly equivalent, 0.82B, and nay. And the other two are neither. And meow. And that's it. Last one. Camacho is buying a monster truck. Okay, so we're looking for a monster truck. I'm going to draw out this situation. Sorry if any of you all are into monster trucks. My visual is going to be horrible. But whatever. Alright, monster wheels. And here's the guy. Okay. Headlights. Kind of looks like a pig. Whatever. Okay, so there's the monster truck. He needs to buy this monster truck. And this monster truck is X dollars. And he also has to pay a 13% monster truck tax. So in addition to these X dollars, he has to pay a little bit more. He has to pay for the monster truck. He has to pay X, but then he has to pay the tax on X. So then he has to pay the 13% monster truck tax. So this is a decimal is going to be 0.13, and whatever the tax is, it's going to be 13% of the original price, or the cost, 13% of the cost. In other words, 0.13 of X. So the total amount that he has to pay is X plus 0.13X. So let's take a look at what this could be. And I can say that this is 1x too. Alright, so the price of Camacho's new truck before the tax. Well, that tells us that in the problem. The truck is X dollars. That's the price of the truck before the tax. So that would just be this guy. There's nothing else on here that is equivalent to just X by itself. Okay, the amount of tax Camacho pays. So 13% of X, this is our amount of tax. So that would be this one. No other one tells us that. This one, they got this one by subtracting, so that would mean that they, like, the tax was like a discount. So that one's, no, we're paying more. This one is saying that, like, this is 13 cents being added to the, no, that's stupid. Okay, Camacho's total bill for the monster truck, right here, the total amount he's going to pay is just going to be 1x plus 0.13x. And if I want, I can leave it like this to show that here's the cost of truck. And this part right here is the tax. Or if I want, I can add these together so that I can see the total amount that he pays. So this will be 1.13x. I have like terms, so I can add these and these, and I would get that. So I'm going to look for either of those two things. No. This one is similar, but it needs an X there. It doesn't have one. Yes. And no. Oops. Why am I coloring that in after? Then nay and yay. And of course I'm going to fill in the leftovers with none. Alright, so hopefully that helps out a little bit with these types of problems. If you need any help additionally, please give me a call. Do not hesitate to contact me. My number is 314-560-1704. Texting is better than calling, so text away if you can. And you can send me a picture of what you're working on. That would be very helpful. And yeah, so but if you don't have texting, then give me a call or send me a Facebook message. I don't care, whatever you want. All right, have a good day or break, or yeah, adios.